We've spent the whole time talking about audio podcasting and MP3s, but that's not the only kind of file you can put into an RSS feed. Almost any file format can be used as an enclosure in the item paragraph when you add a new episode, as long as you make it clear what type of file you're including. If you decide to try out video podcasting, you'll have to find another way to host those files, and will need to pay extra for a plan on one of the services like Libsyn.com. It's still a bit too early to do this with longer videos, but eventually it will be possible when the internet evolves some more. At this point, hosting a video podcast for DJ mixes will be too expensive for most people, but you might be able to experiment with shorter ones. You don't even need to do anything differently in the channel settings at the top of your RSS feed. Right now at the item level, all of the enclosure URLs that point to new episodes are showing a file type of audio/MPEG because the link is an MP3. If you want to make a video podcast, just change the type to video/MPEG and make sure the enclosure URL is a .mp4 file. That's the video equivalent of an MP3 because it's a compressed format much smaller than the original. You'll lose a bit of quality, but it makes them much better suited for the internet. Video files are really heavy and would use too much storage space and bandwidth if they weren't compressed. Even a short MP4 file will be a lot bigger than any of your full-length audio MP3s, so don't upload them directly to your site. Check the file properties of your video to see the size in bytes, and make sure to enter that without commas in the length area of your enclosure tag, just like you've been doing with your MP3s. Don't forget to also put in how long the video is here in the duration. Video podcasts are bound to get more popular as things progress, but right now you'll probably just want to use them only for quick updates, individual songs, and short promos. Part of the appeal of podcasting is that people can do other things while they listen, which isn't the case when watching a video. Audio will always have a special place in people's lives because it allows them to multitask. But at least now you know how it's done if you want to try podcasting some videos too.